Hello everyone. In this video we are going to solve some really important questions based on finding distance which are based on direction sense. This forms a very important part of the verbal reasoning section of your competitive examination paper, and this video will be important especially for all those who are preparing for banking, for SSC exams, for LIC exams, for UPSC exams, and also NTSC, CLAT, Olympiads, and many more competitive exams where reasoning forms an integral part of the question paper. You will definitely find at least one or two questions based on this type in the question paper. So this is a must watch video for you. Let's have a look at the first question. Vijay travelled 12 kilometers southwards, then turned right and travelled 10 kilometers, then turned right and travelled 12 kilometers. So how far was Vijay from the starting point? So you have been given four options here and the correct answer is 10 kilometers. But how do we get this? So I have given the correct answer here only in the first question, but in the subsequent questions you will have to solve it yourself and tell me which is the correct answer. So before we start solving the question, you must be familiar with the directions, that is north, south, east and west. How do we mark it here? You all must have seen my previous video in which I discussed in detail about how to what all points should be kept in mind while solving questions based on direction sense. So this is the north direction, this is the south, this is the east and this is the west. So this is something which must be encrypted in your mind so that you don't have to think before solving such questions. And even if it's not encrypted, you can quickly draw it in one corner of your question paper and quickly plot the figure and then find out the correct answer. So Vijay travelled 12 kilometers southward. So let this be the starting point of Vijay. He is travelling 12 kilometers towards south. So this is 12 kilometers. Then took a right turn. So which is the right side of Vijay? It will be this way, because in my previous video I explained how to decide which is right and which is left. So in case you are still confused, you need to go back and see that video. So he has travelled 10 kilometers towards his right hand side. Again he took a right turn from here. So when he took a right turn, again he will be turning this way. So again he travelled 12 kilometers. So you have to find out how far was Vijay from the starting point. So this is the starting point. Let us mark it as A. And this is the point where he finally reached. Let us mark this at point as point B. So basically you have to find out the distance AB. If you look at this figure, it's a kind of rectangle which is like placed on the base of 10 kilometers. So obviously if the opposite sides of a triangle are equal, what would this side be? Yes, it would be 10 kilometers, and that is how we get our answer to this question. So this second question is very important. Again, it is a previous year question that was asked in the SSC CGL exam in the year 2013, in which Ram and Shyam start walking towards north and cover 20 meters. So you must remember the directions at this point of time: north, south, east and west. And even if you don't remember, you must remember how to draw this so that at the time of exam you can quickly reproduce it in a flash of a second and then go by the directions. So Ram and Shyam, they are both moving together and they are moving in the same direction, that is the north, and they cover a distance of 20 meters. So this is how the both of them, Ram and Shyam, are moving together. Now Ram turns to his left. So this is the left hand side because they are traveling towards north. So your left will be the left of the person turning towards left. So this will be Ram, who took a left hand turn, and Shyam, who took a turn towards the right hand side. So after some time, Ram walks 10 meters in the same direction. So Ram has travelled a distance of 10 meters here. On the other hand, Shyam walks only 7 meters. So Shyam has travelled a distance of 7 meters. So let us elongate this line a bit so that the lengths become proportional. Later, Ram turns towards his left. So Ram took a left hand turn like this, and Shyam took a took a turn to his right. So Shyam's right is again towards the south. Both walk 25 meters forward. So yes, they have moved 25 meters forward. So that will be more than 20. So we need to extend the line a bit more. So this is 25 meters for Ram and this is 25 meters for Shyam. How far is Ram from Shyam now? So what do you have to find here? You have to find this distance. And now you all can guess it well. This is going to be 10 plus 7 because this is 10 and this is 7. So you add them up and what is the correct answer here? Yes, it is going to be 17 meters. So this is how you go about such questions. They may look like very tough, but actually they are not that tough. The third and the last question for this series of questions on calculating distance. Shirley started from a fixed point, goes 15 meters north. So let this be the fixed point for Shirley. Let this be the fixed point from where Shirley is starting, moving 15 meters north. So this is a distance of 15 meters towards north. And then he took a right turn, again traveling 15 meters. So this is again 15 meters. He then goes 10 meters, 15 meters and 15 meters after turning to his left each time. At this point, he took a left hand turn. So left is towards this side and this is 10 meters. Then again he goes left. That again becomes 15 meters. You have to take care of the dimensions. Like if this is 15 and this is also 15, they should be looking equal so that you can get the exact figure. And after that, he again took a left hand turn and traveled 15 meters. So 15 meters means 10 till here. At this point, it becomes 10 and 5 more. That means he reaches somewhere here. So this is again 15 from this end. So this is 15 till here. So how far is he from the starting point? If you mark this as point B and if we take the starting point as point A, you have to find out this distance AB. So can you tell me the answer now? It's very simple, isn't it? So this was 15 from A to, let us say, C. Now BC has been eliminated from this, that is 5. So what are we left with? We are left with just 10 meters. So the correct answer here is 10 meters. So these were 3 most important questions based on calculation of distance, based on direction sense that you were supposed to find out. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon so that you can get notifications for more such important upcoming videos. And don't forget to share this with your friends so that more and more people can benefit from this. The PDF of this concept is now available. You can message on the number 98963699963. You can WhatsApp on this number and you can ask for the PDF. Thanks for joining me and see you soon with another important concept soon.